Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the tank is structurally sound and positioned correctly. Check welds and fittings, note any damage so you can address it before filling. Once done, place the tank on a level pad with a slight slope for drainage and maintain 1 meter clearance around it. Make sure to have wrenches, approved sealant, a pressure gauge, and safety gear within reach. This first step prevents leaks and alignment problems, so don't rush it, but move immediately to secure fittings. You now connect supply and distribution lines using proper gaskets and correct torque on fittings. Anti-seize avoids galling on metal threads. Next, install the overflow, vent, and shutoff valve, and add a sediment filter if the water source is dirty. Once assembled, pressure test the system at 1.5 times expected operating pressure, watch for weeping joints, and listen for hisses. If nothing leaks during a 15-minute hold, you can proceed to begin controlled filling. This ensures safety and leak-free operation. You fill the tank slowly, watching weld seams and fittings for movement so the metal warms and settles gradually rather than bulging. Once near capacity, balance pressure by equalizing vents and confirming the gauge reads expected levels. Set the float valve or level alarm at about 90% to prevent overflow. After filling, secure the access hatch, tag the outlet and inlet with service dates, and document the pressure readings. If you detect persistent leaking or deformation, stop, drain partially, and retorque fittings before retesting. This is your key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.